Best greetings, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So today we're reviewing the Tetra Air Pump, Shape of Silence, for 30 to 60 gallons. We got that at Walmart. We got the bubble stones. It's in our 55-gallon tank right there. Had to move the TV up to be able to accommodate the tank. That's for just a quick look at that, because I don't know if I'll be making a separate video for that or not. But yeah, we got these bubble stones right here. We got 4 of them linked together. And so far everything is better than expected. We're very thankful. That ended up turning out pretty good, making a whole wall of bubbles there. Fish seem to really love it. Helps disrupt the surface area at the top of the water, get some aeration in there. Here's a better shot of the bubble stones linked together. Anyways, that's all for now. God bless y'all. Love y'all.